Hi guys, welcome to my channel Flip Furniture Mama. My name is Maggie and here the project for this week video. I bought this nightstand and dresser with a mirror on my local Thrift store. The dresser I bought for $14.99 and the nightstand for $4.99. And I bought desk too, but the desk I will keep for another project. I really love this furniture. Is Ashley furniture, is solid wood, has too many scratch and need a good cleaning. This is all solid wood. The back is in a pretty good shape. The sides is solid wood. And has this taps here. Need a really good cleaning. Has the legs here. Is all solid wood. My plans for this dresser and nightstand is expiring in the Pottery barn. Let's go to start. First I'm going to remove all the hardware for do a good cleaning. Now I'm do a good cleaning with hot cutter, and after this I racing with clear cleaning water. Sand with 240 with sandpaper and all. It's time to paint. I'm going to use at this time Valspar signature in a flat. I'm use this cream color. I already load my spray gun. I'm going to use my safety mask and light sand between coats. I will do apply 2 coats. I'm going to apply glaze in Java brown. I did this before on the top of the tables and in some furniture, but I wipe off with the rug on the top of the table. I did the same what I'm going do now on this dresser, and I'm going to apply with cheap brush with tiny layers of glaze. do a cross, but if you want to do on a high, for me it's more easy, do a cross. Before I apply the top coat, I'm going to pour my knobs on it because I need to put the top coat on it too. Time to protect my dresser. I'm going to use polyene in a matte finish. I already loaded my spray gun, Wagner 350 spray gun. Of course, I'm going to use my safety mask and a light sand between coats. I will apply 3 coats of polyene. For the legs back. Last touches inside the drawers and the doors. From Free Furniture Mom, and here the finished piece this week. I bought this dresser, a nightstand and a desk on my local Thrift store. I pay $14.99 for the dresser and $4.99 for the desk, the nightstand, and I bought the desk too, but the desk I keep for another project. And when I sold this Ashley furniture, a good brand on my local for Thrift store for $14.99, I says I need to keep this, take this to home. But I had no idea what I'm doing with this, and the idea comes out my head, and I inspired by Pottery Barn. I did a few pieces before. I did this technique on the top of the table. I did a few pieces before, but never I did on this dark on a full piece of furniture. But I'm very happy how this turns out. Can you guys comment below how you guys think about this dark? I enjoy so much create this Pottery Barn look. Can you guys let me know on the comments below what you guys think? I'm sorry guys about my funny voice today, but I have cold for a few days and I needed to finish this video. That's why I talk with this my funny voice. And I hope you guys enjoy my video. Thank you so much for watching. See you on next one. Bye guys.